Machiegni kendo nya Ramogi. Aput madayo dho ji madwaro lemo mag bedo Komishonas mag duol matayo yiero pacho ka IEBC dhi nyime kod goyo kogno kendo dayo dho ji manyocha ochwalo kwayo margi. Kawuono apudno menyo Grace Soprina Amurle mawuok Imbo mar Pokot, Ahali Kisiula Mutisia ma Makwene, Humphrey Kimani Njuguna ma Muranga, Ibrahim Rashid Eden Mbende mawuok Mandera kod Isaac Shaban Ali ma Mandera. Winjane kaka Chenro dhi nyime.
And therefore there needs to have the issue of protection, security that is beefed up for these members of staff, because that risk can also then, it has in the past led to death, and therefore we need to look at it as a risk we need to arrest. Number two, when it comes to the areas of the procurement, and that is also another risk environment, we need to look at it from the fact that the procurement process in itself is highly legislated. Every position, every level of that procurement process is legislated. And therefore, what are some of the risks? Some of the risks would come out from non-compliance of the law. And when it comes to non-compliance, then there is, it affects even the general election itself. Another risk comes with interference. And this interference, you can never anticipate and know exactly where then it is going to come from. Another risk is also the legal risks, because in the middle of the process, then a complainant comes, takes you to the review board and says that now you need to have this determined, and yet you are running against time. So that again is another area. And that's why I say now, when it comes to the area of the specifications, when it comes to the issue of the compliance, I would really ensure that the manuals that we have come up with are complied with. But then you cannot then know who is then going to come in from the public to take you to the review board. However, if you are now then following the law properly, then the risk can be mitigated. The other risk then is the reputational risk that comes with the whole process, and it can easily damage the organization. Yes, thank you.
Thank you, sir, and all the best.
Thank you very much.